Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to provide the type shape to the collection, right? Because already we have seen it, already we have discussed in last video, right? So collection is not type shape, right? Means due to which reason guys? Because we are going to check every time their type, and second we are going to typecasting to read the data. These two things we are going to do, right? If that's what the collection is not type shape. So guys, so our agenda completely for this video, right? So how to provide type shape to the collection, right? So we have some technique, right? The technique name is guys generics, right? If you are going to use generic version, then what we can provide collection to the type shape, correct? So guys, entire collection, okay, will frequently we will use these two class, right? Already we have discussed, right? So this is student class and employee class, right? So these two class frequently we will use for showing the example, for explaining the example. And also guys, in last video what we have seen here, see, if array list contain different types of object, right? So employee object, student object, what string object or integer object. Suppose while you are going to read the data, so first we are going to check the type of the object, right? The line number 17. What we are doing first, we are doing checking the type. So this object is which type, employee type or student type or string type or integer type, right? So every time if you are going to read the data, so first we are going to check their type. After checking the type, we are going to what typecasting, right? So that's not good practice, right? So guys, that's why what we need to use, what we need to make collection to a type shape. That's why we need to use one concept. That concept name is what generics. So entire video will show this thing only. So how we are going to provide collection to a type shape. So guys, the guys who are checking directly this video, so flow is not good, you can't understand the flow. So better to check video number part 6, because this video completely depend upon the last video, that is part 6 guys. Okay, that's all guys. Okay, so collection are by default not type shape. Already we have seen, right? Collection are by default not type shape guys. Then what is the problem identified guys? If collection are by default not type shape, what the problem we have identified? So these two problem, right? So type checking and what typecasting, right? While reading the data, correct? So guys, as we know, right, arrays are what by default type shape. Yes or no? Also guys, I will let all the things, so for understanding purpose it will be good for you, right? So guys, this video belongs to how to provide type shape to collection, right? Correct guys? And this video is part number 6 guys. This video part 7 it seems. So you can see guys, in every video already I have got uploaded, right? So till 1 to till 6. So you can follow one by one, then you will come to know easily guys. Okay, so guys, what I have told here, so arrays guys by default, what by default is what type shape, right? Right? Yes or no? Why I am telling by default type shape guys? Because see, if we are going to take array, right, so it contain only, yeah, it holds only guys, it holds only what, it holds only in data, right? In data cut, it holds only in data. If you will check guys float, so what, it hold only guys what, float data only, yes or no, it hold only float data, yes or no guys, it hold only float data. That's why guys what we can say, array is by default type safe, yes or no, yes or no, array is by default type safe. But guys you can see here, so array list al or new array list, right? So that time if you are going to add different type of objects, right, so we are not storing same type, means we have heterogeneous data, right, yes or no, heterogeneous data. That's why it is not type safe, because first we need to store into object, then we are going to check the type, then we are going to typecasting, then you are able to read the data, right? Correct. But in, you can see in array you will have initially, right, in same type of data, right? Also we can say, right, it's the array, you know very well, so array is what, homogeneous, right, homogeneous, correct. Array homogeneous, array holds homogeneous data, array holds what type of data guys, array holds homogeneous type of data, right, type of data, right? Okay. So guys, so now question is how to provide type safe to the collection, yes or no? If collection is not type safe, correct, you know question arising, right? If collection is not type safe, then how we are going to provide the type safe to the collection, correct, yes or no? So guys the concept came to provide the collection, what, to provide the what, to provide the type safe to the collection, to provide the type safe to the collection, we need to use the concept is guys what, generics, okay, generics. If you are going to use the concept generics, then we are going to provide the collection as a type safe, correct. So guys see, array list, in normal array list here, in normal array list means what, this array list, suppose array list al array list al equals to new array list, right? So guys see, that is the normal version, right, that is the normal version of what, array list, correct. So guys, so it can hold any type of data, tell me yes or no. So array list, this array list al equal to new array list, it can hold what, any type of data, right, yes or no. That's why what, collection is get not type safe, right, it can hold any type of data. Suppose how it has to any type of data, suppose al dot add, 1 minute, not ai, al dot add, suppose if you are going to store here integer, right, suppose al dot add Rohit, okay. See guys, so here normal array list what, it is storing the what, holding the what, different type of data, right. So if with the help of generics guys, see in normal array list, right, it holding what, different type of data, but if with the help of generics we are going to make collection type what, safe, if you're going to use a generics guy, I will explain how we're going to use generics, what syntax will be there for the generics. So the thing is that if you are going to make what collection as a type shape, then you need to use the generic concept. Yes or no? So how we are going to use generic concept guys? What is syntax? So guys, see, so you need to use array list. Then guys, in this angular braces, right? In this angular braces, you need to write suppose integer, okay? And then al equals to what? New array list under the what? Under this bracket what? You need to write that what? Generic version, right? Integer, right? Yes or no? See guys, that is the way. So if you are going to use generic is what? So that is generic version guys. So which type of object you are going to define, right? So guys, this generic version introduced in JDK 5. So this generic version introduced in JDK 5 guys. So in project level guys, always you can see that one only. There is what? So generic version only. So with the help of generic version means this is integer, right? So that is called generic guy. Don't confuse. So if you are going to define, right? So in this bracket, right? In this angular braces, if you are going to give the object, right? Suppose as of now you are going to what? Wrapper class object, right? If you may give what? Employee class, student class, payment class. You can see in the project level, right? So in this angular braces, so only class will be there guys. Class type object, right? Correct? So guys, I will give one example, right? In ID, I will give the example, then you will come to know very easily. So how we're going to use, okay, this generic concept, correct? So guys, so we'll start first our ID, okay. So already in ID, so guys, for the purpose, we need to create some class first, okay. We can go there, class, right? So just put array list example type shape collection, okay. Array list example type shape. So this is third example here. So just get main method, come here. See guys, so we have created our class, right? Okay, cool. So guys, see, first what I am going to do. So already we have discussed, right? So array is a type shape, right? First we will discuss array are a type shape, right? So first I will write some example for array. See guys, suppose int array a rr equals to, okay, it is storing guys same type of data. Suppose already have discussed, right? Already have shown this, or already have explained this thing. So if you are going to int array, it holds only in data, right? Yes or no? So guys, that's why you can see here I am taking only integer. Suppose 10, 20, 30, 40. Correct? So it hold only what? Integer data. Correct? Yes or no guys? So means integer array will store only integer data. Correct? Then how to print this data guys? Now our question is how to print this data. So simply guys, what we can do, we can take one for loop, for each loop, and guys, right side of this column, first we check where we have the data, right? So in array as of now we have data, right? Yes or no? In the array it holds all the integer data. So you can put here array, correct? So now we are going to what? Iterate, right? So suppose this data type, which type of data type? Integer, right? It holding int aa, right? 1 minute, not this, yeah. So first data we have in array, we are going to straight into the int tab, right? So now we are going to print this data, right? So sys out, only we are going to print data, yes or no, that aa. See, any problem in there to tab checking, tab cast? No. Why? Because it holding what? Same type of data. It's not any float, any double, any string. So int is what? Containing, or it holding all integer data, right? So that's why we no need to check type checking corresponding type casting, right? But in array list, what? We have different type of data. Some employee data, some student data, some integer, some string. That's why first we need to check this object belongs to which type. That's why collection is not a type shape. So now our main motto is what? How we are going to make collection as a type shape. Good. So with the help of generics. Yes or no, guys? So guys, see. So you clear the point, right? I hope the point is clear, right? Array are type shape, right? So guys, second point. See, guys, please concentrate. What I'm going to explain is very simple. If you will concentrate, okay. Otherwise, might be you not understood completely, okay. So guys, now second point is what? So collection are not type shape, yes or no? So collection are not type shape. We'll see this thing. See, suppose if I'll take array list al equals to new array list. First I will show guys why array list is not type shape, right? Then we will give the solution for that. See, done. Okay, I have created an array list, okay. So guys, I can add some data, add, yes or no? So already I have told you, so already we have created what? Employee object or student object, yes or no? So for that purpose guys, what we can do, we suppose if we need add some employee object, new em, see, employee is there. Suppose if id is 1 and suppose name of the employee, suppose what? Rohan, okay. Suppose this is Rohan, correct? Okay, this is the employee object. Suppose if I want to add some other object, suppose al dot add, suppose this time I'm going to add a student object, right? New a student, right? The guy who is watching first time this video might be not understood, okay. So you may but see first video part 6, then you'll come to know very easily. Already I have created in last video this employee class and student class, okay. That's why it's coming directly, guys. So guys, for this student, this is the student id and name of the student is what? Ramesh, suppose put. This is a student Ramesh, right? So collection is not type shape, guys, means we can read any type of data, right? Yes or no? We can read any type of data. So suppose if you want to read any type of data, guys, so what you need to do? So guys, what you need to do, in last video already we have seen, right? So first we are going to store everything in object class, right? So for then see, as of now where all the object you have in al, right? Al, correct? So right side you are going to write, so where we have all the object, right? Then guys, see, as of now, see, object is different type, some object is employee type, some object is student type. So better to hold where? Object class, right? Because every object, the parent class is object class only, right? So we are going to store in the object class only, right? Object, suppose O, correct? Okay. Now, so already, because why I have taken object, because object is a super class of every object, right? That's why guys. See guys. So because object class hold the any type of data, right? Why we have taken object, right? Because object class hold any type of data. It may be a string, it may be imply, it may be a student, it may be integer. So it can hold any type of data. So many students have confusion. Why we have taken here object? Because object class hold any type of data, right? Correct? Yes or no? So what? Object class holds what? Internally hold what? How many types of data, guys? Here object class, here object class hold what? Internally two types of data, right? So one is employee, one is a student, right? Then guys, if object class hold two types of data, that means we need to check the type. Yes or no? We need to check the type. So how we are going to check the type, guys? So if, right, so it's holding what? O instance of employee. So first I'm going to check this object belongs to employee class or not. Suppose if it belongs to employee class, right? Suppose it belongs to employee class. So first we need to typecasting object class to employee class. So how we are going to typecast, guys? You know very well. No need to define this thing. No need to explain this thing also. EMP. Then we are going to store in what? Employee class. Correct? So that is typecasting, right? Yeah. This is the way how we are going to typecast. So that means now we are going to print this employee. This is out. And we can print get what? E dot EID. Yes or no? Then what? E dot E name will be there. Yes. Then we are going to print. So guys, what we have understood here? So if it is what? If array list holding, array list what? Collection. If collection is holding different types of data, so we need to do two operations. Need to check the type, and then we are going to the type. Then we are going to the perform typecasting. Then only we can read the data. Correct? Corresponding guy also we need to do what? For a student as well, right? For a student as well we need to do same thing, right? So come here, but we rated a student, right? Correct? A student, and same a student we are going to typecast here. Typecast, and you need to give some different variables here. Suppose s dot, you just remove this thing. I will write explicitly s dot sid, because a student has a student ID, right? So then what are going to print? A student name as well, right? S dot s name also there. Okay. So guys, what we understood here? Here two objects are there, guys. Okay. Here two objects are there, but in project, guys, hundreds, 200,000 objects will be there. So can we write the code for all the object if block to read the data? Yes or no, guys? No, guys, absolutely wrong. Correct? We can't write for 100 or 1000, for 1000 or 1100 objects for if and if case, right? If block we can't write for the 1000 object, right? It's not a good practice, right? So guys, to overcome this problem, what the collection need to use generic concept. Collection need to use generic concept. Correct? So you make question, right, in your mind. Hey Amit, so what is the syntax for generics, right? What is the syntax for generics? Yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no. So what is the syntax for generics? So guys, see, I am going to write that what syntax for generics. So add a list. Already I mentioned guys, when I was writing in the notepad, miss this places. See, this is syntax only guys. Same way also I'm going to define here. So guys, in array list, inside the Angular braces, you need to write the object, right? So let's see, in our example we have two objects, right? Employee and what, a student. So first case I'm writing employee here, emp, right? Correct? Equals to emp, okay, new what, array list, right? And you need to give that employee only. Correct? Got it guy? So this is the guy syntax of the generics. Guy, this is syntax of generics. Don't confuse guy. This is syntax of defining what, generics. Got it guy? So this is syntax for defining the generics guy. Correct? So guy, means how I just hold the employee data here. See, so now array list we are going to use the employee. So it holds only guy employee object. See, if we are going to write here, see, al dot add, see, al dot add. So new emp, and we have employee 10 suppose, and name of the employee what, Raja. Okay. See guys, just see the magic what I'm going to explain here. Al dot add, so what, al dot add new employee 10 Raja, right? So now second object, suppose if you're going to add here al dot add, right, al dot add new emp. See, then if you're going to add here next employee object, suppose 11, and that employee name is what, Rani. Okay, correct guy? See, so we have done guy these two what, employee. Correct guy? So guys, one thing, see here, so now how we are going to print the data, right? So then print the data using for loop only, right? See, so how we are going to print this data, right? So guys, I am taking here for, already mentioned you, right? So after right side this column, right? So where we have the object, right? So in al we have all these two objects, right? And this is the which type of object guy? This is what type of object? Tell me what is the type of the object? Employee type, right? So emp e, right? We can write. Then guys, we need to what? What is showing? Okay, so already we have used al here. So okay, so okay, I have a mistake guy here. So what I have mistake. So this is the guy, our employee object, right? So we are going to give here emp, right? And we are going to give here emp only, right? Emp, right? So guys, I have mistake, guys. By mistake I have written this. So guys, so our object is in emp, right? So emp, okay? So guys, how we are going to read the employee object, right? So guys, in this case, what emp holds, guys? Emp holds what? Only employee object, right? emp holds only employee object. But you can see in this case, al holds two different type objects, employee object as well as student object. You can see differences, right? You can see difference here, right? So after using generics, what difference is coming here? What the difference is coming? So in this case, why we are using object? Because array list containing different type of object. Okay, so only object class such type of facility are there. It can hold different type of objects. Correct? But see, after using generic concept, so what? So if you are storing the employee object, so what? It holds only employee type of object, correct? Yes or no? Employee object. But in earlier case, it is different type data, guys. Correct? So guys, tell me, is any type checking required? Guys, tell me, do we need any type checking here? Any type casting needed? No, because whatever object is there, is it same type, right? We don't have a different type of object. We have same type of object, right? That's why guys, it's very easy to read the data, right? So how we are going to read data, right? So sys out, right? So you can read data, guys. So only e dot eid, and then what? E dot e name. Yes or no? Guys, tell me. I hope you understood it. I hope you understood it. See, after using generic concept, how this code becomes easy, right? How this code becomes very easy. Yes or no, guys? So guys, first let me run the application, then we will see how response, how output is coming. Correct? See guys. So this first one is, guys. So this one is the array, right? This is the array 10, 20, 30, 40, correct? Then guys, see, this is array list, right? So Rohan, Ramesh, right? So we can able to read it, right? We are able to read the data with the help of what? Tab checking and tab casting. Correct? These two things, Rohan and Ramesh. This is the one is the what? Employee ID, and second is the student ID. Correct? Then we are able to read the data, guys. But guys, you can see as well what? So if you are going to use the generics, okay, so how we are going to see the, how we are going to what? See the response, right? See. So we need any tab casting, we need any tab checking? No. Why? Because it holding what? Same type of data. Tell me guys, yes or no? So that's why we could able to see Raja and Rani. Raja employee ID is 10 and Rani student ID is, so employee ID is 11 only. Correct? So what we conclude, guys? So if we are going to what? Make collection a type shape, means you need to use generic concept. Correct? So collection means, guys, what data we are thinking homogeneous only. Guys, now what I am going to explain very important. Please listen carefully. So guys, collection means what? What type of data you are thinking? Homogeneous or heterogeneous? If you are going to use the collection, so what type of data you are thinking in mind? Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Heterogeneous data only, right? Heterogeneous data only, right? Collection means group of data, right? Yes or no? We can't think homogeneous. Why? Because if you think homogeneous, so already array is there, right? If you think collection is homogeneous as well, so you can think, right? So array already there, right? Then why collection? Correct? This question may arise in your mind, right? Yes or no, guys? So guys, collection is a heterogeneous data, correct? But it is actually wrong. What, guy? Collection is a heterogeneous data, but it is actually wrong, guys. Why? Because normal array list, guy, we have heterogeneous data, right? In normal, see, this is normal array list, right? This is normal array list only, right? So we have heterogeneous data type. Yes or no? It is giving problem while reading data. Yes or no? If normal array list, what? We have heterogeneous data. We have heterogeneous means what? Different type of data, right? Some employee object, some student object, some integer, some string, correct? So, but it is giving problem, correct? It is giving problem while reading the data, right? So generally, guys, people are thinking, right? People are thinking collection holding heterogeneous data, but actually it is wrong. It holds heterogeneous data. So what problem we are facing here? You know very well, right? If collection holding heterogeneous data means, so what problem we are facing here? You know very well. In project level, guys, in project level, always collection use generics level only. In project level, always collection use generic level only, guys. So you may question, hey Amit, so generics can hold which type of data, right? So generics hold which type of data? Homogeneous data only. Yes or no, guys? See, you can see here. Imply to only imply type of object, right? Imply to only imply type of. We can store in the a string or a student or any integer, right? In generics, it store only, it holds only homogeneous data only. Then, guy, so big confusion. Why? Because already array was there. Array already available, right? If generics also giving same thing, if generics giving also same thing, right? Homogeneous data. If you are going to use the generics, that is what? You are going to use the homogeneous data, right? But array already giving such facility, such feature, it also storing what? Homogeneous data only, right? Then why collection generic version came? Definitely this question may arise in your mind, right? If all the arrays are there also holding the what? Homogeneous data, then what is the meaning of generics? Generics also what? Holding the homogeneous data, right? Correct? Array is there already stored homogeneous data, and collection generics also doing same thing, storing generic data only. Correct? Guys, I hope you understood. So array also holding homogeneous data. In collection, generic concept also holding the homogeneous data. Guys, now you can see. Important thing. Please concentrate. Why, guys? Because the collection are flexible. Why? Because collection are flexible with respect to memory. Arrays are homogeneous. We can understand. In collection, generics also a homogeneous. But what the main things are that, what the main reason is that I am going to explain now. Because the collection are flexible with respect to memory and with respect to operation. What I've told you guys? Collection generics are what? Flexible, or we can say collection only. Collection are flexible with respect to memory. I will explain. And with respect to operation, these two things keep in mind. So array is not flexible, guys. Array is not flexible with memory level. Memory is fixed in array, guys. We can't increase, we can't decrease. Yes or no? We can't increase, we can't decrease. And operations are also not flexible. In arrays, operations are also not flexible because array doesn't have what? Any method, right? Yes or no, guys? Array has what? Not flexible due to what? It doesn't have any method. If it doesn't have any method, so what? Definitely operation becomes complex. Yes or no? Operation become complex. You need to write a method for that, right? So guys, but collection generics version can what? Store homogeneous data, but it is flexible with respect to operation and memory. Yes or no, guys? You know very well, right? It because array list, right? So underlying data is really what? Resizable array. What? Array list underlying data is really what? Resizable array. It automatically what? Increase the size, right? And so many methods are there, guys. Yes or no? If in next video, guys, once I will explain array list, then you will come to know how many methods are there. But such type of facility we don't have in arrays. We don't have the method. That's why, guys. So what main thing is that, so collection generics also holding the homogeneous data only, but it is different. Why? Because it is what? In respect of memory and operation, it is different from the arrays. Got it, guys? I hope you got it. Okay, that is the main thing, guys. Okay, so always, guys, project level we are using generics with collection. Always, guys, we are using what? Generic with collection. In previous video, guys, already what we can see that. Also, I will tell one thing. See, not previous video, this video as well, guys. See, if you are going to use, guys, normal array list here. See, you can see here bulb. Yes or no? You can see na bulb. You can see bulb, right? But also, guys, you can see add example 2. See, this is bulb, right? This is perfect example. This is perfect implementation. No, guys, you shouldn't have such bulb in implementation, right? This bulb symbol is recommended or not recommended, guys? Absolutely not recommended. Bulb symbol is not absolutely recommended. If this bulb is coming in your application, in your code, that means your code is not what? Up to mark. It's not a standard. Right? See, if you are going to use, guys, array list, you can see any bulb symbols are there. Any bulb symbols are there? No, guys. We can't see any bulb symbols are there. Correct, guys? So, guys, now you check with what? Generic version. You can see that with generic version, any bulb is there? No, guys. Means this application is perfect. Yes or no? This application is perfect. So I hope, guys, this example is clear to all of you, right? Correct? This example is clear to all of you. So how we are going to make the collection as a type shape, right? How we are going to make collection to a type shape. So guys, this is a complete video for type shape only. So we no need to use what? Normal array list version. Always we need to use what? generic version of the collection. It is frequently used in our what project. Yes or no, guys? So that's it, guys, for this video. Okay, so completely I have what explained how we need to make collection as a type shape. Right? So guys, if you like this video, please like, share among your friends. Okay, yes or no? Because if you are going to share among your friends, definitely they will subscribe my channel, right? If you are subscribing, definitely what I am going to get more motivated, right? So that's it, guys. So same thing, once again I am telling, please like, share, subscribe, and do comment as well, guys. Do comment as well. If you need any what suggestion, please write under the comment section, and click the guys notification button as well. So whenever I will upload any video, you will get notification, right? Correct, guys? Thank you. Bye bye. We'll meet in next video very soon.